Hello, Victoria。老师，刚才my computer，我的狗跑到我的房间里面，然后踩了一脚我的那个power bar。So all of a sudden, everything just go black. Captain，你知道吗？Goldie 跑到我的房间里面来，一脚踩在我的那个 power bar 的那个按钮上面，然后直接一按，然后所有的都没了，然后我根本打不开，我说电脑坏了吗？我以为要爆炸了，后来发觉是他踩了一脚。Okay, okay. So I'm gonna remember next time when we're having class. Okay, there's no dog allowed in the room. Okay, it's very dangerous. I'm so scared. I was like, what happened? My computers got broken. Okay, everybody, I'm sorry. So let's just go back to the class, okay? Yeah, it's not my fault. It's all Godie's fault. Let's take a look at this one. So as we say, okay, so before I got kicked off by Godie, okay, because I feel I kicked up by him.
Oh, Kelly, you need to record the meeting.
Yeah, I'm recording right now. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So 我刚才看到有两个小朋友给我的答案，一个是15，一个是9。Okay, so let's see who is the winner. Okay, who is the winner? So
roll.
so let's take a look at this one. So
Yeah.
what? 嗯，刚才有人跟我说话是不是
Wait, 15 is wrong. It's not 15.
Okay, so what do you think? Who is going to vote?
It's 9.
It's 9. Okay, very good. So everybody, do you get it? So why it's 9? Okay, good job. Okay, so the thing is, when we're learning the permutation or combination, there is a very important thing you have to know that is all the formula is working for yourself. Okay, you need to think about it. Which one is the best way? It's not necessarily always people say, "哦，那这个东西又没有 P 又没有 N，老师你是怎么做的？" You have to different questions, different answers. Get it? So when you have different answers, you have to think about it differently. Okay. So now let's take a look at next question. So yeah, we open the door. Oh, okay, 3. Okay. Sorry. Number 3. Okay, this one's very easy. A worker wants to walk from site A to site B using the routes as shown below. If site C is out of bounds, so that means you cannot go to site C, right? How many ways are there for the worker to reach site B? Only go right and go down is allowed. Okay, so I have received 1 answers. Okay, good job. So Oliver and Victoria has sent me the answer and they're the same. So that means either you get them both right or you both of them get wrong. Ha ha. And Elaine, you get them. Oh, Harvey is the only one different than 3 of you, okay? So Harvey, you're in dangerous spot because you know what? You are getting 25% of winning all of them and 75% maybe you lose, okay? Because full of you sending me the, oh, Samuel, 你后面的猫猫好可爱。Oh, your cat is over there. What is his name?
Shuji. That's not talking.
Shishi?
Shuji.
Shiji?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, that's a very weird name. Shiji? Oh, sorry, you're on your ear, yeah, you're on the earplug. She won't hear me. Okay, yeah, okay, Harvey, you get it right. Okay, everybody. So now I'm going to call one of your name. Harvey, how about you explain how to do these questions? No, you refuse to?
Oh no, I just like found it myself using the thing. Yeah.
Okay,
What?
so how do I do it? You can, I give you the rights to annotate. You can annotate on the screen.
No, I just like wait, where is the I just like found it like this. I didn't use like the permutation or
Oh yeah, you don't have to, right? So, but the thing is, it's actually pretty easy of doing that, something like that. So going down, there's only 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? Everybody, correct?
oh
And going this way is only one way and one way, correct? And think about it, going this way, this point, how many ways are there? Still one way, because you cannot go back. Everybody? But for this point, there are 2 way, because you can go down and you can go left. So there are 2 ways to go this point. And this one, 2 way, and this one also 2 way. Right? Because you cannot go up, you can only go down. So this is also one way. But the bad thing is what? We don't have C point. That means what? That means C point is a hollow way. It's a hole. That means you can never go through that one. Get it? So I'm going to stop here. Do you understand, everybody here? Okay,
Wait,
so let's take a look at this one. Yeah.
So isn't this one
你
only
你不
one
能
move?
去，你不能去，你为什么这是 one？Because 这里已经有2条路了，所以这里有2条路，所以从这里到这里也有2条路。Because I go here. So the way of going to this point is the same as the one this point because there's
Oh, do you mean like the amount of ways to go there, or the amount of ways that you can go from there?
Go there, like not
Oh, okay, that makes
there.
sense.
Go to there. Yeah, go to there, not from, not
Okay,
from.
that makes sense.
Yeah. So now let's take a look at this one. So there is 0. So that means to go this way, there's only 2 way. Because there's no way going there anyway, because, right? So this one is 3. And this one 3. So how many way there are there altogether? Am I making mistakes?
Here is 3.
Oh yeah, here is 3. What I'm doing here is 3 because you can see go down the other 2 way, go from left to right. There's 1 way, so 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So they're all together 6 ways. And Harvey may think about it. Oh, 老师，你这样子很麻烦，还是我这样画快？ But in the math competition, they probably give you a very bigger one, right? So here, like a lot of ways are going through that. So my way will be easier. Understand, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at number 4, okay? So there are 10 points on the circumferences of a circle. How many triangles can be formed by using any 3 points of their vertices, okay? So this time, you don't have to be, yeah, I don't want to talk to you. You can do that. I trust all of you. This is very easy because there's no special conditions there.
Wait, doesn't this mean that how many triangles can you form with 10 points?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
you're right. But how many, in order to form a triangle, how many points you needed,
oh, three. Okay.
right? Okay, I have received chapter, the chips, good job. And Elaine Han, good job. Good job. Okay, everybody, so think about it. We have the same answers. Chapter, good job, okay? Elaine, good job, really good, okay? So we have 10 points and we want to pick 3 out of 10, correct, everybody? Right, because it's a combination for sure, right? So we're going to have 10 points and we just put up 3. Right? Because it's any of 3 points. I don't care. There, no points is prettier and beautiful, more beautiful than the other one. They're all the same. Okay. I have a dream that one day everybody is going to be treated like just like points. Okay. So no differences at all. The Martin Luther King dream is actually happened in the math world. So that's why I like math better. Okay. So it's 10 times 9 times 8 over 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so the answer is 3 and 4. So the answer is 120. So this question is very easy. Get it? It's because there's nothing matters. 前面为什么要分开讨论？因为它有 A 和 B 必须要用到，so that's a special requirement. When you don't have special requirement, you don't really need anything. Okay, so number 5. In how many ways can each region of the figure be colored using 4 different colors so that no adjacent region will have the same color? So this is a very, very special and very famous thing. It's called 4-color theme. Okay, they said no matter how complicated on the map, you only need 4 colors to divide all the different countries in the different colors. Okay, so that is a very famous theme. So let's just say how many ways are there in order to find out, okay? Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So for the color A, for the A area, Samuel, you're on the right way, but think about it. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. How could you just give me something times something times something times something times Did you miss the last one? You're on the right track. The second answer is on the right track. But the thing is,你看有1、2、3、4、5个地方，然后你只给我了一个东西是一个什么东西乘以什么东西乘以什么东西乘以什么东西，那这个不用考虑了。You still need to think about the last one. They have options. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I want to ask everybody a very simple question. For the region A, how many color could be there? 4, right? Because none of them are being used and none of them are being adjacent. I don't have to calculate or think about it or consider others because I'm the first one. 对不对？所以你看，家里只有一个小朋友的孩子，一般老大都比较凶，对不对？因为呢，那我只有一个人，我不用考虑别人啊，对不对？你看鹏鹏在家里面就是这样的，他不考虑别人，对不对？因为他只有家里他只有一个人。So that's why we don't have to consider somebody else at all. Understand? So 4 colors. Elaine, think about it. Am I doing the same thing to my younger sister? So let's take a look at this one. Okay, so the second one. 因为 B 啊，是不是跟 A 接在一起的？所以说 A 如果用的红了 ，B 就不能用红了。所以 B 只有3种颜色，大家说的对不对 ？Correct? OK，那 C 呢又和 A 和 B 连起来，所以 A 用一个颜色，B 用一个颜色，C 只有2种颜色，剩下可以选，对不对 ？Now we move to D. D is adjacent with A and C. So obviously D only have 2 options as well. So far, Samuel, you're right. Then you give up. 你说E whatever. 对吧？这个很像 Samuel 的，对吧？E whatever。No，你看 E 跟谁接壤？跟 C 和 D 接壤，也就是说，他们2个用掉2种颜色，那它还剩几种颜色？2种颜色可以选。So the answer is 4 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. So the answer is 12 times 8 equals 96. So there are 96 different ways to choosing 4 different colors to put into these 5 different regions. Understand everybody? 这个题目其实跟我们在5个数字里面选3个是不是很像？是不是很像？ Okay, you need to put every single number into every single slot. Understand everybody? Okay, I know this is the hardest one. Okay, how many acute angles can be formed from the figure? Angle BOA less than 90 degrees. Okay, everybody think about it and let me know.
What 我字明明 says like 10, 9, 2, and 1.
So 这个就是数字嘛，就是这个点嘛。So because 如果你把 A B C D E F G H I J K 是有很多嘛，那你如果这边是9、10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1，那你就知道这里一共10条线嘛。So it's easier for you. 那如果他如果用 A B C D E F G H I J
Oh,
K
okay.
L M，你不知道这里一共有多少条线嘛？他用数字给你标，你就知道它一共里面有多少条线嘛。So it's easier for you, right?
Oh, okay, so it doesn't
对，
really
如果
matter
是
in terms
我
of
的话，
question.
我肯定不会这样的，因为我是坏人，对不对？ Victoria already gave me the answer.
No, that was from last question.
Okay. So think about it. It's also a very easy question, okay? So let me ask you, how many lines are there altogether? All of you. 12, yes, very good. So how many lines you needed to form an angle? How many lines you needed to form an angle?
2.
2.
Okay, so now my question is, AOB is bigger or smaller than 90 degrees?
Smaller.
Smaller.
Okay, so if AOB is less than 90 degrees, so all the angles inside it is impossible to bigger than 90, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so now let me ask you a question, okay? So this angle and this angle, are they the same or not the same?
Same.
Yeah, so they're just angles, right? So we're using combinations. 12 times 11 divided by 2 times 1. So the answer is 66. Chapter think it's permutation, but chapter, your answer is closest to the right answer. Good job.
I forgot it was you had to divide.
好，你是用这个做的，对不对？但是你忘了后面还要除以2乘以1，对不对？
Yeah.
Very good. Understand, everybody? So when we're talking about the angle, if angles and angles are different, for instance, they said, okay, I want this angle to be something specific, so you cannot using C. But this one, all the angles are the same. There's nothing like beautiful angle or ugly angle or smart angle and stupid angles. Okay, they're all the same. They're just angles. So in order to form an angle, you need 2 lines. And how many lines are there altogether? 12 lines. So it's 12, 2, and a combination. Okay, let's take a look at this one. How many ways are there to color the circle using 3 different colors so that no 2 circles joined by a line have the same color? So it's the same as the earlier, like 4 color, rigid colored thing, correct? Okay, so just they changed the 他们把这个颜色把这个形式换了一下，其实跟刚才那个题目一模一样，一共有3种颜色。Okay, they're all together 3 different colors. 然后在一条线上面不可以有一样的颜色。Okay, I have received Samuel's, and Samuel, congratulations. This time you get it right. Good job. Finally! Hey! Okay, and Harvey, think about it. Harvey, think about it. Okay, so first of all,
Did I get it correct?
Did I get it correct?
let me see. No. No. So
No,
far,
so
I only
good.
see Samuel's right. I give you a little bit. I give you everybody 1 minute extra. Very good, Victoria. Harvey, change your answer. Good job. Okay. So chapter, rethink about it. 再想一想, okay. So everybody, when we're gonna discuss the first one. 第一个人就是家里的第一个孩子. They don't have to consider about anybody else. So it's a 3 color here. Correct, everybody? So how many color can be put here? Here. One the color has been. 哎呀，不能随便加的。你看哦，你看这个坏蛋。Okay, so this one is what? 2 different colors, correct? So now let's take a look at this one. So this one, if this one, 有些小朋友说，哎，我只能有一个 color，不是啊，他没和这个连在一起，对他来讲只有这2个到他这里，所以他这边只有2个呀。Correct, everybody? So I'm not sure if you I explain right or not. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, so for this one, because all the color has been used, so only 1 color left. So it's 3, 2, 2, 1. So 3 times 2 times 2 times 1, so equals 12. 啊 ，Elaine 觉得只有一个，只有6个，不对啊，因为第一个肯定有3个，对不对？第二个一种颜色用了，所以它还剩下一个。那这个对于它来讲，其实也是只有一种颜色用了，你知道吗？因为它跟这个不连在一起的，所以应该是3减2，这边也是2。那这个呢，因为2个颜色被用掉了，所以说它就只有一个。Understand? Okay, so that's why Victoria and Harvey and Samir, you get it right. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, 4 circles showing below are connected by lines. Each circle is to be colored using either yellow, black, or red. So 3 colors. How many ways are there to color the 4 circles if no 2 circles connected by the line can? Okay, I know, Victoria. 我要多上一会儿的，因为刚才不是小狗踩了一下嘛，所以没办法啊，只能拖堂了啊。Can't have the same color, okay? 这道题目要分开想的啊，不能分开想 ，OK？Okay, Victoria, I think it's more than that.
Okay.
Is my answer correct?
Mm-hmm. No. Sorry, I didn't see yours. No, Elaine. No, it's more than that, everybody. close, Victoria. The right answer is just between your 2 times answers. Um, I'm gonna start to explain, okay? So, but you for sure have the thing, okay? So everybody, we have 3 colors, right? So if I have 3, so this one must be 3, correct? Okay, so B and D is not connected with anything but B, so this one's 2 and 2, correct? But my question is, we need to discuss about C, okay? So if C is the same color as A, is it doable? Yes, it is doable because if C and A is the same color, we can still make B and D different than C, understand? But also C could be different than A and also different than B and D. So this is a 2 case. Okay, so case 1 is A and C are same. So if A and C are same, so it's just a 3 times 2 times 2. Understand? Because we don't discuss about C at all. Because C and A is, 如果 A 是 yellow, 那 C 也是 yellow. A 是 green, sorry, A 是 black, C 也是 black. A 是 red, C 也是 red. Understand? Okay, so we don't discuss about it. It's not an option. But if A and C are different, so we still have 3, 2, 2, and this one will be what? Sorry, this one is 1. Because we need to think about this way around, is because C and A is different. So this one C, this is 2. So C cannot be same as A and cannot be same as B. So there's only 1 options left, right? So red, black, and yellow. Get it? Okay, so yellow, red, and black. So you see, if these 2 cannot be the same, so these 3 must be the different at all, totally different. Understand? Okay, so which leave this one only 1 option as well, because if this is yellow, this is red, this one must be black. Get it? So that's why it's 3 times 2 times 1. So the answer is 12 plus 6 equals 18. Understood, everybody? Okay, so that is a point that you need to put them into the 2-case scenario. And 有些小朋友说，那老师，为什么我们前面的题目没有？因为前面的题目并没有形成闭环，你们看到吗？有一个东西它是独立出去的，看到了吗 ？OK， 然后你看到这个题目，你看在我们看前面题目，他们有一个东西是跟其中2个，只跟其中3个有关系。你看，它不是跟他们所有的，如果是 A B C D E， 然后全都连在一起的，那就不一样。OK， 如果是这样 ，A B C D E， 就 A B C D E， 这也不对，要5个全都连在一起，那不可能的，对吧 ？Yeah, it's impossible. So they're not form a circle out of it. So that's why it's totally different. You don't have to think about it. Oh, if A and E is the same, they're not even touch each other. Understand? So different questions is different. So we need to discuss it differently. Okay, so let's take a look at number 9. The 2 lines shown below have 8 points and 6 points on them. How many triangles can be formed using any of the 3 points at their vertices? So this question is the same, right? We either choose 2 out of here or 2 out of here, correct? So that's the same question as we learned it before. How many 3-digit odd number can be formed using the digit 1, 3, 6, 7, 8? And chapter, remember, we have learned this one before, right? So we have to put 1, 3, and 7 on the last. So which the last digit only have 3 options. Okay, so we all together have 5 numbers. So that means the second one has only 4. Okay, so the third one is only have 3 options. So 3 times 4 times 3. Okay, so we're not going to discuss more about it, but this question is hard, I know. Okay, but I hope everybody will try your best to do it, and I want to see how you get it. Don't just give me an answer. show me the details how you get the answer. OK， combination 和 permutation 是在数学竞赛里面，我看很多小朋友失分失的最多的一个题目。OK, so we're gonna learn this part very well. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Wish you have a wonderful night. And next time I will ask my dog to, so my dog is not allowed to come into my office anymore. Yes, it's very harmful. Okay, everybody, thanks for your time. And we're going to see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.